What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Lumsden Motorsports Garage. I'm Wade Lumsden. We are back from the Winnemucca Regional Raceway. It's actually Monday. I decided to do some family stuff and all that on Sunday. Plus, it was super hot and I was super exhausted. So, pushed everything back till after work today. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the car unloaded and start getting it all washed up. So here we go, let's get to work. Car is unloaded. Got some wonderful damage. Hold on, this door's caved in pretty good. From when the one guy tried to drive me to the wall. I don't know if anything suspension wise or whatever is bent. I'm hoping not, but I will double check that when I get the car in. This side looks fun. So ripped up the sail panel. This is from when we got checked up. Left rear of that other car got a hold of this, so I was, just kind of junky. I'm not 100% sure when this happened, but this side's really caved in. And the frame rail, the outside frame rail, is bent. And it looks like the weld broke off underneath there too. Right over there. Fun. Hopefully nothing major is bent or out of place, but I guess when I get the car washed off and inside, start stripping body panels and really get a good look at it. So I'm gonna try to go race at Rattlesnake Raceway in Fallon, July 3rd and 4th. If things are going well, I will try to be done soon enough to make it to the 4th of July parade that they're actually having on the 3rd of July. So, yay, let's get to work. Wow, I have been extremely slow moving on this car. It was washed and ready to work on Monday, and it is now Wednesday, and I'm just now getting started, but I'm gonna start ripping body panels off and see what we can do. All right, so since we are a instrument of speed and aerochromatics, we're gonna straighten out these bodies panels in a very specific scientific way. Pretty close. Oh yeah, look at that. Gorgeous. All right, now just got to do some remounting of the hole here that got completely stripped out and messed up. Probably just move that bad boy back once I can twist this piece into place. Again, I'm a baller on a budget, so I will do everything I can to patch these panels back together. It's not in the budget right now to be able to put a new body on, so we do what we must. And then here is the rear sail panel, nice and curled up and cut in half, and we're gonna flatten it out and see if we can patch it, because why not? All right, I gotta put you guys down, and then I'm probably gonna need to finesse a lot of this with a hammer and stuff, so put you guys down for a second. All right, so not the most beautiful thing in the world, or straightest thing in the world, but I think it's gonna work. Put a patch in here. Trying to hurry up and get this done. We got summer thunderstorms coming in, which it was nice earlier because it cooled everything down, but made it a little bit of humid. I'm not complaining about humidity. I understand. I live in Nevada. We have like no humidity, so even just a minute change, we feel it. But it's not like, you know, Houston, Texas, or Austin, or Florida, or anywhere like that, or poor Washington that's got like 100 and like something degree weather going on right now. So we're not here to discuss the weather. Anyways, trying to get it done before the weather gets to me. But we just made this patch. I had some scrap, kind of trimmed off whatever. I had some scrap, shoved it in here. I think that's gonna do it, at least for now. Make it to where it's on there. You know, I'm happy with a 30 footer, you know, as long as it looks good from 30 feet away. Mid-season, sometimes you just got to make things work, you know, and that's kind of where I'm at right now, budget wise. So we'll at least get it put together, and again, probably not the prettiest thing in the world, but it's gonna work. But of course, before we start putting body panels on, we're gonna have to get in here, show you what I got going down. My frame rail took a little bit of a beating, and it's bent up, and the weld broke back here, which that portion's kind of designed to do. It's designed to absorb and break and not be super solid, because imagine if that was super solid and it got hit and then it bent that frame rail, right? Like, that's the important one. If you bend that, then you know, send it for jigging. But yeah, we're gonna do that. I'll see if I can get this little tweaky here pulled out, but yeah, should be good. This shouldn't be too bad damage wise. I have not looked at like suspension components, but at brief glance everything looks okay. I am going to check the rear end, make sure it's not bent and all that happy stuff. It looks like we got a little bit of bend going on at the bottom part of that bird cage there. Not bird cage, but bottom part of the 4-bar mount bracket. So, but not too terrible bad. Yeah, so like I said, I'm trying to beat the rain. I'm gonna get the car to where I can push it inside. It's easier to do body work out of the garage. It gives me a little bit of room to move around and stuff. So but I'll at least get this to where I can push it inside and work on it here in a little bit. All right, we're back in the garage. We got this on, should be all right. Only thing I'm probably not gonna like is this popper of it down here, this popper right here. They run into the edge of this so it doesn't really suck up. So what I might end up doing is drilling that one back out, drilling that one back out, and also drilling those into here, just as a, I guess, another mount. But I think this is gonna work. But for now, dinner's calling me, so I'll be back out in the garage later tonight. Brother comes into town. Yeah, I know, haircut. Brother comes into town, and oh yeah, we'll take you to dinner, cause look what I got him doing.
Yeah, thanks for dinner.
Thanks for dinner. Working hard in the shop tonight. You almost done back there?
What?
Alrighty, got the car loaded. It is Friday night. It is 9:30 on Friday night. Got the car loaded, just you know, packing up last minute stuff, going through my safety gear and stuff here, and gonna get packed up and ready to go for the July 3rd and July 4th race at Rattlesnake Raceway. 1,000 to win both nights, so hopefully it'll be a lot of fun. So yeah, all right, don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching. Questions, comments, concerns below, and we'll catch you guys next time.